Remove a strand of hair from this portrait. Qwen Image Edit gets it right and leaves the rest of the photo untouched. Swap the background for a classroom and rewrite the chalkboard text. Done, and the subject's shadow and lighting all match the new setting. Add a sign that says, "Welcome to Penguin Beach," and Qwen Image Edit blends it seamlessly into the scene, even matching the sign's shadow with the existing light. Replace only the letter N with blue in a title, and everything else remains the same. And create a model sheet with front, side, and back views of a character with perfect facial details and proportion for each pose. What you just saw is Qwen Image Edit, a brand new, open source, and totally free AI image editor. This tool is designed to deliver incredible accuracy when editing, transforming, or blending images, from everyday fixes to complex creative projects. One of the most useful things it can do is generate new perspectives. For instance, you can input a side profile of a crow and generate a matching back view, or upload a front view of a lion and get a natural, believable rear or side angle as well. Artists and designers can quickly build character sheets with every pose filled in, even if only one reference is available. Text and micro-editing are remarkably advanced in Qwen Image Edit. Change just a single letter's color within a word, or update the marketing message on a poster, without losing the style, font, or harmony of the design. And when you add new elements, like a sign for Penguin Beach, Qwen Image Edit automatically aligns the design, lighting, and even shadow direction. When it comes to repairing and restoration, Qwen Image Edit is fast and flexible. You can eliminate watermarks and unwanted overlays in a second, getting a clean result without sacrificing colors or tone. If you need to enhance or deblur an image that's out of focus, especially group photos or old prints, just give the prompt. Qwen Image Edit generates a sharper version, reconstructing plausible facial features and background detail at a level that's hard for most other open source editors. Let's look at how it stacks up against the competition, specifically Flux Context Dev, another highly regarded open source image editor. Qwen Image Edit seems better at handling instructions like overlaying patterns like cheetah spots or polka dots onto specific phrases, all while keeping fonts clean. In the case of changing a background to a different scene, Qwen Image Edit adjusts shadows and edge lighting more accurately. Flux Context Dev can be just as effective in some cases, but sometimes senses more dramatic clothing or setting changes, or introduces visual artifacts. Both editors can remove watermarks or unwanted interface elements from screenshots. However, Qwen Image Edit is often more precise, removing only the target area without unintentionally boosting or muting colors across the entire image. Style transfer is another highlight. Qwen Image Edit can convert a photo or drawing to a chibi, watercolor, simply by describing the new style in your prompt. For Lego conversions, Qwen Image Edit nails the look of detachable, round yellow hands and heads. Complex edits, such as removing dialog boxes from video game screenshots or removing overlays from mobile app demos, are fast. If you want to use Qwen Image Edit, there's an easy online portal, chat.qwen.ai, which has a modern chat-like interface. Here, upload your chosen photo, describe your edit, and watch as the AI transforms your image in seconds. The editor supports daily limits online for free users, perfect for quick creative sessions or casual projects. If you want unlimited editing with no daily restrictions or want access to more advanced model options, you can download the complete models and scripts for offline use. All of the download and installation guides, as well as links to Hugging Face models, are in the video description. For artists, designers, meme makers, or anyone looking to batch edit, translate, swap backgrounds, or perform sophisticated style transfer, Qwen Image Edit opens up a whole new set of creative possibilities without the weight, costs, or learning curve of most traditional tools. Try it out, see how it compares to Flux Context Dev, and let us know which features or results stand out the most. For more hands-on AI image tutorials, comparisons, and up-to-date reviews, make sure you subscribe. All the relevant links are right here in the description. Thanks for watching.